Did you know? Invisible snow is falling through every ocean on Earth and it's saving our planet. It's not ice, it's tiny bits of life. Dead plankton, whale poop, bacteria, all clumping together like underwater snowflakes. This feeds entire deep-sea worlds. Sea cucumbers vacuum it up, tube worms cluster around it like underwater snowplows. Here's the mind-blowing part. This captures massive amounts of carbon, storing it in ocean depths for centuries. Protecting our surface waters protects this ancient climate system. Small actions, massive impact. Want to dive deeper into ocean mysteries like this? Join my ocean sanctuary, where we explore the hidden wonders saving our planet. Link in bio. With love and ocean vibes.